Millhouse, do you ever worry that your mom might stop loving you?
What? I'm more worried about piranhas. Did you see that movie where they send a nuclear submarine to fight the piranhas, and one of them swims right down the periscope and bites the guy in the eye, and he goes, ah, 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 and that old lady told him it would happen?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, how come you're not playing Bone Storm?
Nah, it got boring. I'm really into this cup and ball now. Whoa! Wow! Man, you never know which way this crazy ball's gonna go!
Yeah, right. You're just trying to trick me because you don't want me playing with your video game.
Here, go ahead.
No, let me try the cup and ball.
Get your own!
Come on, don't be a cup and ball hog.
Hey, do that! That's mine!
Miles, come on, get a cup and ball, cup and ball hog.
Mom! Bart's smoking!
All right. Go. Millhouse, what are you... Okay, I won't bug Millhouse, but... Well, Mrs. Van Houten, this is going to sound kind of dumb, but can I hang out with you while you do mom stuff? Who are Dan and Sherry Adler?
Just friends of ours.
Oh. And who's Warren Burke?
He used to tune our piano before we got rid of it. He grew up in Mechanicsburg.
Oh, really? Tell me I'm good. Oh, hey, that's Mom. She's happy again. You guys made a snowman family?
Check it out, boy. It's like looking into a living snow mirror.
Why didn't you wait for me?
I didn't think you'd mind. I figured you were getting a little too old for this. But you can still make one. There's some snow left under the car.
Stupid family.
Hey, Simpson, look what I swiped from Try and Save. It's a replacement tire for a wheelbarrow.
Huh?
I knew you'd like it.
Everybody thinks I'm the black sheep. Well, I'll show them what a black sheep can do.
Mom, this fake snow is making me dizzy.
We're almost finished. There's just a little bit of green left. There you are. You can help me spray the cookies. Are you hiding something? What do you have under your jacket?
Nothing.
Oh, Bart, not again. Give it to me.
I told you, I don't have anything.
You can't hide from me in this house, Bart. I spend 23 hours a day here.
Get him, Ma.
There's no place left to run, Bart. Hand it over. Oh, Bart. I can't believe you did this.
I wanted to surprise you for Christmas.
Oh, sweetie, this is the best present a mother could get. I love you so much, my little bitty Barty.
Mom!
Since I got my present early, I think you should get yours early, too.
Bart got a present early, then I should get a present early. I want a present.
Lisa, you have to wait.
This is the worst Christmas ever.
Now, I know you love video games, and I asked the clerk which is the one every boy wants.
You got me.